everyone, welcome
Hello.
back. Dad, what are we doing today?
Well, we're gonna put a new fuel tank in. Can't find the replacement for the original, so we're gonna go with what somebody said would work. I think it's a Blazer fuel tank, an early Blazer fuel tank. And just looking at it, it's going to take a lot of modifications. We got to cut and weld and reposition some brackets. And the tank is quite a bit bigger. It's 5 gallons bigger. So it's hanging down. It's going to hang down further, take up more room in there. But it looks like it's our only option at this point in time, other than custom making a tank, which is a possibility. But we're gonna try this one, and hopefully it'll work, because our other tank is just I don't trust it. The metal is so thin on it. So we got to replace it.
All right, stay tuned.
Hmm?
Dad, what did you discover looking under here?
Well, we got the fuel tank out and we're getting ready to work on that, but we see some other issues here. I don't know if you can see this line here. This is all new. And that rubber hose up here, that appears to be all new. And maybe they have the brake line going forward new too, I don't know. But if you can see here what they did here. They bought a piece of brake tubing that was too long. They probably couldn't get the one that was exactly the right size, so they had to get rid of all this extra brake line. And you see what they did? They just wrapped it around in a circle. All of this is bad, and we have to fix that.
Pa, what you got there?
Yeah, this is something I made exactly for this van, and I wanted to put this in before we work on the fuel tank, because once we get the fuel tank in there, there's not a whole lot of room left. So it makes a little more sense to do this. So this is a trailer hitch that we have some plans for coming up. We'll share with you. And what I did is I had got some square tubing and the 1/2x2 flat stock, and a receiver hitch type thing, and I welded it and cut it and drilled it and made this piece, and now we're going to install it. All right, one of the issues we've got here is that this bracket for the old tank does not match the new tank. So we have to make this bracket conform. The new tank looks like this. So you can see it hits this bracket and won't let me go all the way up. So I'm going to set this in here about like I think the tank's going to go. And I'm going to mark this. And I've got a line on here now, and I'm going to cut that out so that tank will nest on this bracket. And we've got brackets on the other side, but we're going to worry about these after we get these done. We're going to get these to accept the tank, and then we'll work on these.
Made new brackets so it'll fit.
Okay, we got our fuel lines set up.
Tell me where you'd like me to be.
But I think that really looks good, Bob.
Woo!
Jesus, huh?
Can you believe it?
I got about an inch on each one to tighten. That should be about perfect, actually.
Okay.
And this is going to be okay.
What a cute new hitch.